Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review. And right now I'm not going to be reviewing Kahani 2. 24 घंटे से ना ये जद्दोजहद चल रही है मेरे दिमाग में कि हाउ टू talk about this film, yeah. In a movie so full of plot twists and sudden developments, it's stupidly hard to try and review it. So I'm going to not review it. Hashtag no spoilers. Vidya lives with her daughter in a small town where she goes about her business as a lower middle class, clerkish person in a stifling looking papers or paper racks se bhara hua office. Then something happens and then her life is turned over its head. And then she's like, oh my god, should I stay or should I go? Is she a murderer? Is she a kidnapper? Is she Vidya? Then who is Durga? Why is Arjun Rampal so hot? Ek to let's start from the beginning. The opening credits. Vidya Balan, Durga Rani Singh. Hi, goosebumps. Vidya Balan is Parinita. She's the RJ in Munna Bhai. She's the urban single mother in Hey Baby, the Lavani dancer in Ferrari Ki Savari. She's Vidya Bagchi and Durga Rani Singh. And she's a sweetheart. Coupled with the right writers and directors, this woman can literally do no wrong. And Sujay Ghosh is that man. Vidya told me in an interview that these two are always at loggerheads, her and Sujoy. But when it comes to creating something, a movie, a character, there isn't a better twosome in the whole of land. Oof, Sujoy Ghosh, such dirty, grimy, tight frames. Even when the characters are out on the roads during the day, the sky is overcast, cloudy, foggy, dark. Matlab at one point, Durga is actually rummaging through a pile of legit trash. It goes there. The only time I felt I will ever be happy again was in one scene when Durga and her daughter are, I can't tell you that. But yeah, I guess you're supposed to leave the theatre feeling heavy and blue and hopeless. And the movie makes it happen. I ate a whole pizza after that. There are other very important and uncomfortable themes the movie deals with, handled very competently without it getting heavy-handed and or vapid. I will not divulge what these themes are, but I'm glad the movie talks about them the way it does. Sujoy Ghosh's love for Kolkata and its lanes has been well documented in his previous films. And yet somehow I am astounded by the attention to detail. I was in Kolkata a few months ago and I went to Chinatown to explore a bit. And if I understood and remember correctly, in today's time, there is only one Chinese newspaper that continues to be published from Kolkata, which prints one copy every day. Of course, I could be totally wrong. Please correct me if I am. But when you see a shot in the film with an Indo-Chinese man casually just standing, reading not just any newspaper, but a Chinese one, for a shot that appears for literally about 5 seconds, you've got to acknowledge how amazing that is. A ridiculously minute detail that most movie-going audiences might not even notice, but one that lends such authenticity to the narrative, the setting, the story. It's amazing. Alright, and let's now take a moment to acknowledge the work of art Arjun Rampal is. Apart from being a very obvious stunner, suddenly at this point in his career, he seems hell-bent on justifying his national award. For real, Arjun Rampal is amazing. He plays the conflicted cop Inder with as much ease as we saw him play Joe Mascarenhas in Rock On 2 a few weeks ago. This is Rajneeti level amaze. The rest of the movie has been cast beautifully by Mukesh Chhabra. Jugal Hansraj is doing something one wouldn't expect of him. The cops, the little girl, nurses, doctors, compounder even. Everyone delivers what they need to and do not interrupt or annoy, which is not a small thing. The climactic twist might leave you asking for more, but having said that, I was at the edge of my seat for the most part and every pore of my being is thoroughly entertained. Okay, that was a bit much. On a scale of 1 to 10, Kahani 2 is 4 is the number of sequels that have released in the last 3 weeks. Tummin 2, Force 2, Rock On 2, Kahani 2. Forget the rest, Kahani is best. Just by the way, this K is not for Kahani. This K is the response you will get if you ask me one more time where the review for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is. If you want to watch other videos, they're right here. And do subscribe to Film Companion to get your film fix.